Let's say it up front, WEN generators are among our favorites. That's because they are solid, reliable, and finally, very affordable. In terms of quality, they can compete with Champion, Westinghouse, or even Honda while costing only a fraction of the price. Hello guys, in today's video we're going to present to you the WEN GN400i generator review, the best WEN GN400i generator available on the market today. We made this list based on our personal preferences based on their various features, benefits, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be extremely helpful for those who are similar to you. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, we included the link in the description below. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Remember, when you hit clean and quiet portable power, the WEN 4000-watt inverter generator provides clean energy, free of voltage spikes and drops for safe use with laptops, phones, and other sensitive electronics. Our 212cc 4-stroke OHV engine produces up to 4,000 surge watts and 3,500 rated watts of power. Designed to mirror a pure sine wave, this generator limits total harmonic distortion to under 0.3% at no load and under 1.2% at full load, making it safe to run sensitive electronics. The WEN Watchdog Co. Shutdown sensor helps protect both you and your family by automatically turning off the generator if dangerous levels of carbon monoxide are detected. Our ultra-efficient 1.85-gallon tank provides over 7 hours of half-load runtime. The fully packed panel comes equipped with two 3-prong 120V NEMA 520R receptacles, two 5V USB ports, and one 120V RV-ready TT30R receptacle. Maximize fuel economy by engaging the Eco Mode switch. This allows the generator's engine to automatically adjust its fuel consumption as items are plugged into and unplugged from the panel, preventing the unnecessary usage of gasoline. Need more energy? Easily link up two generators using a WEN parallel connection kit in order to share wattage amongst multiple units. Low oil and low fuel automatic shutdown combine with the built-in overload protection and indicator lights to safeguard both your generator and your electronics from damage. And because it's a WEN product, your Open Frame Inverter Generator comes backed by a 2-year warranty, a nationwide network of skilled service technicians, and a friendly customer helpline, all to make sure you remember WEN. WEN GN400i is a very inexpensive 4,000-watt open frame inverter generator suitable for those users who need a bit more power than the 2,000 and 3,000-watt inverters can offer. But is it that good? Can you trust a generator that is cheap to deliver its job? We're going to reveal the answer now in the following WEN GN400i review. WEN GN400i First Impressions. Typical small inverter generators are a great choice if you need a quiet and lightweight generator to run sensitive electronics. The problem with most of them is that unless you run them in parallel, they're usually too small to power anything bigger like a 15,000 BTU RV air conditioner. They're also significantly more expensive than the ordinary open frame generators. That's when the generators like WEN GN400i come into play. This generator combines the best of both worlds. It offers the clean electricity of an inverter generator with the low price tag and power of a 4,000-watt generator. That makes it an excellent choice for a variety of applications. The generator's control panel features two X120V NEMA 520R receptacles, one X120V transfer switch-ready NEMA L530R twist-lock receptacle, and two X5V USB ports. WEN GN400i Technical Specifications. Wattage, 4,000 starting divided by 3,500 running watts. Fuel type, gasoline. Fuel tank capacity, 1.85 gal. Runtime, 7H at 50% load. Outlets, 2x1 20V AC, 1x 30A RV outlet, 1x12 VDC, 2x USB ports. Weight, 70.5 pounds. Dimensions, 19.8x 13.8x 18.9. Engine, 12cc 4-stroke OHV. Starting method, manual recoil, electric. Advantages of WEN GN400i. Lightweight. Compared to the conventional open frame gensets, WEN GN400i weighs significantly less and is easier to transport. Depending on which specific generator you compare it to, we're talking about a 30% difference in weight in favor of WEN GN400i. The unit weighs 70.5 pounds, which is also less than some less powerful inverter generators weigh. That's clearly a big selling point of this generator. Quiet operation. One massive issue with most portable generators of this size is how loud they are. That makes them annoying to use when you need a quiet generator for camping or RV. Plenty of RV parks do not even allow the generators making more than 65 decibels of noise at their premises. Fortunately, thanks to its inverter technology, WEN GN400i is much quieter than most 4,000-watt generators. Even at the higher loads, its engine noise stays at the lower side. Inverter technology. Inverter generators are a much better modern alternative to conventional generators. They are not only quieter and lighter but also produce cleaner electricity. You can use them to charge your portable electronics including laptops, tablets or cameras without any problems. Another great thing about the inverters like WEN GN400i is that you can run it in parallel with another same unit to double your total power output. This solution would give you in total of up to 8,000 starting watts at your disposal. That's already enough to provide power for most of your critical household devices in the event of a power outage. Price. WEN is known for making good generators which also sell for cheap. WEN GN400i is nearly half as cheap as some of its competitors. By purchasing this generator instead of let's say a Yamaha, you can save yourself a good couple of $100. It does not mean that WEN is inferior in quality though. Numerous reports online confirm that most of the users are very satisfied with this unit and have never encountered any serious problems associated with it. All in all, the most important part of the generator is its engine. Any cons? To be honest, there is nothing to seriously complain about this generator. You would be hard-pressed to find another 4,000-watt inverter generator that can compete with WEN GN400i in terms of its price-to-quality ratio. Some users have reported minor gas leakage problems. However, these seem to be very rare individual occurrences. In case anything like this happens to you, you are fully covered by a 2-year warranty which should help you fix your trouble in no time. Conclusion: should you buy WEN GN400i? If you need a good and cheap 4,000-watt portable generator, I would heavily recommend you to have a closer look at this one. This is also one of the only few inverter generators in this wattage range usually selling for much less than $1,000. This generator combines the best of both worlds, large power and the lower price tag of an open frame generator with all the benefits of an inverter. Good and cheap RV generator. WEN GN400i is a very good open frame inverter generator ideal for RV, job sites or as a home backup source of power. It's currently one of the best 4,000-watt generators out there. Price is another massive advantage of this model. WEN GN400i proves that an inverter generator does not have to cost a fortune to be good. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.